Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday today, and we're in St. Catharines, Ontario. That's my hometown, and we're going to take a walk up Lake Street today. We're going to head Lake Street to the overpass, and we're starting at Lake Street and Lakeshore Road. And you can see right here across the street is the Lakeshore Plaza, and this is just going to be a little guided tour to show you around. There's lots of shops in the plaza. There's a butcher shop, and there's a hair salon, there's a wine shop, Bugsy's is a restaurant, really good food, and other little shops in there. So yeah, and then you'll notice there's a few apartment buildings here at the corner of Lake and Lakeshore. They're quite large. And we're just outside of the No Frills grocery store. So it's a snowy, rainy day today. And it is now turned into rain. First we had snow, but that is all changed now into rain. Not the best day. But I wanted to get out here. I don't know why. I wanted to get out for a walk. So we're going to try to make it to the overpass. Should be, hopefully, I won't freeze before we get there. You can see here, 614 Lake Street is this apartment building. For those of you that might be interested to know, No Frills is a pretty reasonable priced grocery store. You can get really decent products there, very reasonable prices if you want somewhere to go grocery shopping. And just a little bit of FYI about St. Catharines. It has a population of about 140,000 people. I believe it's the 8th largest city in Ontario. In the province of Ontario, and it's known as the Garden City because of how many parks and trails and gardens are throughout the city. About 1,000 acres or so of all those combined, which is really nice. So there's lots of places for you to enjoy the outdoors, and beautiful parks and trails if you like that around the city. So this is also the north end of St. Catharines, and if you continue down Lake Street from where I started, you would end up right at the lake. That's where Lake Street ends, right at the lake, so you know. Now there's kind of a mix here with a little bit of residential along Lake Street with commercial shops. So as we head up here, you'll see there's a couple high schools that we'll be walking past as well. Got my handy umbrella with me today. So I'm pretty good. I'm not getting wet. And you can see here we're just going to be passing by Johnny Pastrami's. They have two locations in in St. Catharines. This is the larger of the two. So you can have breakfast there if you like, go out for breakfast. And then you can see here, they also have a club, Club Heidelberg. It's been here a long time. And you can see they have country dance on different days. So if you like going to dances, there you go, you have somewhere you can do that. On the left here is a retirement home. It's Heidelhof. It's also been here a very long time. But you can also rent out, they have a little room there you can rent out for different, you know, if you have like a bridal shower or a baby shower, they have rooms for rent there. Oh, I can see, I think the high school kids are on a break. So we're probably going to pass a few of them on our walk here. There's another condo here. Hello. Huh? You can see, despite the weather, there's people still going for a walk with their coffee in hand. Person here makes handmade picnic tables, foldable. It's pretty nice, handmade out of wood. So you can see here now we're coming up to the residential part of Lake Street. We're just coming up now to the high school I was talking about earlier. This is St. Francis Catholic High School. At one time this was known as Holy Cross. Home of the Phoenix. We're approaching another high school here, or some would call it a secondary school. With a large field for sports. At this high school, they also have a daycare center, and they also have an adult learning center as well at the high school. You can see here where the kids all come outside and play. See, there it is up there, the Lifetime Learning Center. I think they had like night school there as well. This is actually a big addition that they put on the school. So all this with the brick here, you can see that is all a newer part of the school. And here it is, this is Eden High School. Used to be known as Lakeport Secondary School. Both schools, Eden High School and St. Francis that we passed back there, they're both uniform schools. So their students wear uniform. You can see here on their sign for the Lifetime Learning Center, they have a PSW program you can take. Well, it's raining a bit more now. I'm surprised this is rain though. It's pretty chilly out here. I'm surprised it's not still snowing. There you go. There's another view of Eden High School there. It's quite a large school, as you can see. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, when it was Lakeport High School, they had a shop class there. So you can learn, auto mechanics. I don't know if this school still has that. I would think they would, but I'm not sure. And we're just approaching Linwell Road. People. Snow plow there, salting the roads. And across the street here, there's a pharmacy and a walk-in clinic. And then a Petro-Canada gas station here on the right. $1.36.9 today. And then on the left, there's a plaza here with different little shops, bakeries, and there's a Romby's Tavern, which has been there as long as I can remember. Since I was in high school, it was there, so it's been there forever and ever. Let's not say how long ago that was. And there's a cafe here, and next to it, the Frosted Cupcake. And I have not tried that, but I hear it's really, really good. So I have to try that out sometime. And of course there's a Big B convenience store there. There's quite a few of them around the city. This is Meridian Bank. Now you can see here it kind of branches off, and we're coming up to the lights here. It still continues to Lake Street, but if you go right here at the lights, it turns into Lakeport Road. And then if you want to head right and take this road all the way down Lakeport Road, it'll take you right to Lakeside Beach and Lakeside Park. There's more apartments on the left-hand side here. On the left-hand side, there's a 7-Eleven. It's another convenience type of store where they have different, you can even get coffee there. I heard the coffee's pretty good. And they have delicious Slurpee drinks and snacks and things like that. I used to ride my bike there. I'm in the part of town where I grew up now. So when I was, younger, I rode my bike there with my friends quite often. to enjoy a Slurpee drink and make our own swamp drinks out of the Slurpee. We combine all kinds of the flavors together and it's still really good. But that was the fun we had going to 7-Eleven. There's different shops here too. There's a camera shop here that's pretty good. Frederick's Cameras and Accessories. If you're looking for something camera product, that's a good place to go. There's an Indian restaurant here. That has changed names quite a few times over the years, this restaurant. And this is the city of St. Catharines, where you would see, that's where they would have a lot of their tractors and salt trucks and things like that here. City trucks. We hit the button. Nope. And now we're coming up to, we're just at Secord Drive down here. Lots of businesses down there as well. And now you're going to see, we're going to be seeing a lot of car dealerships along here. Comes to St. Catharines Transit. And there's a Henley Honda on the left, but there's a few dealerships here on this street. There's Subaru. And there, of course, is Starbucks coffee coming up on the left. It's a larger one compared to others in the city, so it's always quite busy there. Always people inside doing things on their laptops or iPads. And then you can see here there's a Pizza and an A&W hamburger place. Very good burgers there in case you haven't tried it yet. Good burgers, good fries, good root beer. You can't go wrong. And look, it's 24 hours. And you can buy pizza by the slice at Pizza too, so you're aware. And this is Audi of Niagara here. That's fairly new. They just built that maybe a couple years ago. See? Probably some really nice Audis inside. I'm sure on display. I can see a convertible one in there. A nice red one. And there's a car rental place right here. Enterprise. And you can see here on the right is Cozy Restaurant. This has been there for years. And they also own a few restaurants in the city. There's one other Cozy in the other end of town. So it's nice the way the building's designed though. I really like it. Lunch combo is $8.99 from 11:30 to 2 p.m. That's really good. And it says 10% off pickup. If you pick it up, you get 10% off. Can't beat that. And then there's the famous Tim Hortons coffee shop here. You'll see a few of them around the city here. Very popular, very good coffee in my opinion. Good donuts, good sandwiches. So if you've never tried it and you're visiting, give it a try. And there's Don's Lighthouse there, across the street. And there's another plaza here. It's called the Westlake Plaza. There's Pizza Hut. And there's good pizza too. And then other places there, Subway, Joe Fetta's Greek Village. Joe Fetta's is very good too. So you can see here just a view of what's in this plaza. Brand name shoes is there. You can buy some decent shoes there at a little bit of a discount. So I bought shoes there. I can vouch for that. They even have a tanning place if you're into tanning, and a nail shop if you like to get your nails, get a manicure. This is the Dollar Tree, but for years and years it was known as That's Entertainment, and it was where you could rent movies, you know, like on VHS or on DVD. That was the place to go and do that, but sadly now they're not there anymore. Obviously more and more people are not doing that as much anymore. I can smell delicious food cooking. Tacos, sweets. That looks newer to me. And then we're coming up to Wendy's. Wendy's is good, very good burgers there. And then there's a Sleep Country. They sell different mattress packages there. If you like going to psychics, get your palm read. You can do that right here. Tarot card readings. And now we're just approaching Scott and Lake here. All of this area is quite close to where I grew up. There's the Esso gas station here on the left. And then further down Scott Street there's more car dealerships close by. There's the bus stop. If you want to take the bus. I think the bus comes about every half hour. I could be wrong though. Could be sooner than that. Vale Drive, and it also takes you to the highway, but when we go straight it also takes you to the Queen Elizabeth Way as well. This is a GM dealership on the right called John Bear. See all the nice trucks. Denali. I think that's like the top of the line, isn't it? Maybe some of you know. I'm not really super educated on that, but I think it is. Some nice trucks. Sierras are nice too. And then across the street is a Toyota dealership. Lexus and Toyota. Montana's Barbecue and Bar. If you like ribs, barbecue things like that, that's a good place to go for that. Okay, we're just coming up to Meadowvale Drive. And you can go right at the lights here. And you can get on the highway right there. Where those, you see the cars are coming out. There's an on-ramp right there. Not too far away. So now we're at Lake Street and Meadowvale Drive. And this is the overpass right there. So that's where I'm going to end the walk today. Thank you so much for watching. And next time we'll continue going further from here to downtown. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.